In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide to buying assets in a Lobstr wallet. In the world of cryptocurrencies, digital wallets are essential tools for managing and securing your assets. Lobstr is one such popular wallet, designed specifically for the Stellar blockchain network. Over the next few minutes, we will discuss buying assets within the Stellar ecosystem using a Lobstr wallet. The first step is to create and set up your Lobstr wallet as discussed in previous videos. Visit the official Lobstr website and follow the instructions to register an account. Make sure to securely store your recovery phrase and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. 2. To buy assets within a Lobstr wallet, you may need to complete an account verification process depending on the regulations in your region. Provide the necessary identification documents and follow the verification instructions to ensure compliance with any legal requirements. 3. Once your account is verified, it's time to deposit funds into your Lobstr wallet. Typically, Lobstr supports various cryptocurrencies for deposit, including Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Transfer your preferred cryptocurrency to the wallet's address. Allow some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. And remember, if you do not transfer XLM to Lobstr, you will have to convert whatever asset you transferred to XLM in your Lobstr wallet so you can purchase other assets. 4. After your funds are successfully deposited, navigate to the Lobstr interface and explore the available assets within the Stellar ecosystem. Lobstr offers an extensive array of assets, well over 150,000. 5. Conduct thorough research on the asset you wish to buy before making any purchase. Consider factors such as the project's white paper, project team credentials, community support, and market performance. This due diligence will help you make informed investment decisions. 6. Once you've chosen the asset you want to buy, find it on the Lobstr wallet's asset listing. Click on the asset, and you'll be directed to a detailed page with information about the asset's price, trading volume, and market history. Enter the amount of the asset you wish to purchase and review the transaction details. Always make sure you have chosen the correct symbol and domain. This is critical to buying the correct asset. 7. Carefully review the transaction details, including the asset quantity, price, and any associated fees. Ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction and execute the trade. The transaction will be recorded on the Stellar blockchain. 8. After completing the purchase, keeping track of your assets' performance is mission critical. Utilize the portfolio management tools offered by Lobstr to monitor the value of your assets. 9. Security is paramount when it comes to managing your assets. Lobstr provides various security features, such as two-factor authentication and hardware wallet integration. Enable these features and ensure your wallet remains protected from unauthorized access. Buying assets in a Lobstr wallet provides you with access to the vibrant ecosystem of the Stellar blockchain. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can confidently navigate the process of purchasing assets within your Lobstr wallet. Remember to conduct thorough research, exercise caution, and regularly monitor and secure your assets to make the most of your investment journey.